Hello everyone, welcome to Satsukhart and this watercolor painting tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can make a realistic rose. So let's start. You can use any watercolors, but I'm using Camel's Artist watercolor. These are cakes color, and you can use watercolor tubes also. Both are available in market, and it's not necessary that you use these colors only. You can use any other color of your choice, but I prefer these colors. Watercolors are transparent colors, and it's all about thin layers, and you need to take a very little of color and then mix with water and apply on a sheet. Don't take too much paint on your brush. I'm using mixed media sheet here. There are so many watercolor sheets available in the market. You can use any of them. hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment on my video, and subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching this.